Is our planet a breeding ground, bursting at the seams with humans? While headlines often scream about a population explosion, is the truth more nuanced? Let's delve into the complexities of this contentious topic. Demographers, the scientists who study population, provide a surprising perspective. While it's true that the world's population has grown exponentially, the rate of growth has been steadily declining for decades. In fact, the UN predicts that our population will peak around 2100 and then begin to decline. So why the apparent paradox? It's not that we're having fewer children, it's that people are living longer. This aging of the population means there are more elderly people, who typically require more healthcare and support services. Furthermore, the distribution of population growth is uneven, with some regions experiencing rapid growth, while others face population decline. In conclusion, while the world's population is indeed increasing, it's not as alarming as the headlines suggest. The rate of growth is slowing, and the population is aging. By understanding these complexities, we can make informed decisions about how to address the challenges and opportunities that come with our evolving population.